Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious fish risotto, the only way. To begin, gather your fresh, high-quality ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of firm white fish fillets, such as cod or snapper, and 1.5 cups of arborio rice. Also, have 4 cups of hot fish or vegetable stock ready, along with some shallots, garlic, and dry white wine. These foundational elements are crucial for an exceptional dish. Now, let's build our flavor base. Sauté finely chopped shallots and garlic in a generous drizzle of olive oil until they become wonderfully softened and fragrant. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of dry white wine, allowing it to simmer gently until it has almost completely evaporated. Then, add your 1.5 cups of arborio rice, stirring it for approximately 2 minutes to lightly toast each grain. This step is essential for a truly rich and creamy risotto. The heart of risotto making is the gradual addition of stock. Begin by adding 1 ladleful of your hot fish or vegetable stock to the rice, stirring continuously. Wait patiently for each addition of stock to be fully absorbed before adding the next. This rhythmic process takes approximately 18 to 20 minutes, requiring your full attention. The goal is a creamy consistency where the arborio rice remains al dente, offering a delightful, slight bite. Finally, it's time to incorporate our star ingredient and finish this masterpiece. Gently fold in your cooked fish during the last 5 minutes of the risotto's cooking time, ensuring it warms through without breaking apart. To achieve that signature creaminess, stir in 2 generous tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Finish with fresh parsley, salt, and black pepper to taste. Serve immediately for an unforgettable, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.